Are you in pain or dreading the idea of surgery? PRP might be for you. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. It is concentrated through a spinning process from blood drawn from the patient. It provides growth and healing factors that reduce pain, regenerate tissue, and repair cells and signals neighboring stem cells to concentrate in the injected tissue and start their tissue-restoring work. You may have received a cortisone shot to relieve your pain only to experience temporary relief. Cortisone injections are anti-inflammatory, but are a catabolic substance. This means that even though you may experience pain reduction, it will promote degeneration of the tissue it is injected into. If you have tissue that is already breaking down, the last thing you want to do is accelerating that process with a catabolic substance like cortisone. A better solution would be to inject an inflamed or damaged tissue with a substance that is anabolic, meaning it will support the repair of that tissue. PRP is such a substance. It contains everything your body needs for healing. Since the platelets come from your own body, it is completely natural, organic, and non-toxic. First, blood is drawn from the patient. Next, the blood is placed into a centrifuge and separated into red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells, and a concentrated solution of plasma with high levels of healing platelets. This platelet-rich plasma is then injected into the affected site. The process repeated 2 to 3 times over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. This treatment is minimally invasive and requires almost no downtime. After the injection is completed, the body immediately goes to work repairing itself as concentrated growth factors and stem cells stimulate a rapid healing response. In preparation for and post-PRP therapy, the patient needs to stay away from anti-inflammatory medications and supplements, since it is this inflammatory process that is needed to stimulate the repair of tissue. You may feel more sore after PRP therapy. This just means that your body is working hard at healing that tissue. This is very temporary, and the benefit is the repair of the tissue, allowing you to get back to your active lifestyle without pain. If you're in pain, want to avoid surgery, and get back to your active lifestyle, PRP might be something for you. Give us a call.